Looking for a game changer in the home appliance market? Meet Embark. Hey there, future business partner. Are you ready to seize a golden opportunity in the booming home appliance market? Embark, a name synonymous with innovation and reliability, is expanding across India, and we want you on our team. Why Embark? Because we're committed to delivering high-quality, technologically advanced appliances that simplify and enhance everyday life. Our product range includes providing clean, safe, and healthy drinking water for every home, keeping kitchens smoke-free with efficiency and style, offering instant energy-efficient hot water solutions, making ironing a breeze with durability and high performance. With Embark, you're not just selling products, you're delivering a promise of a healthier, smarter, and more convenient lifestyle. Our cutting-edge technology and customer-first approach mean that you'll be offering nothing but the best. Join us and benefit from attractive incentives, comprehensive training programs, and dedicated marketing support. Together, we can build a strong, successful partnership that stands out in the competitive market. So, what are you waiting for? Embark on this exciting journey with us and watch your business soar. Sign up today and become a dealer for Embark's premium appliances. Let's make everyday life better, together.